Hey guys, today I've got a Brazilian straightening keratin treatment video for you. I posted this on my Instagram stories a few weeks ago and asked you guys, did you want me to film this on camera? And you guys were like, yes, lots of thumbs up and hearts. So here goes. This treatment cost me £26 off Amazon, which is a lot cheaper than getting it done at the salons, because I've had it done at the salon and probably like 4 or 5 times, and it's cost me anything between £100 and £150. So I thought, why not try and save a little bit of money while I'm on mat leave and have a bit more time on my hands and do it at home. I love the keratin treatment. When I've had it done at the salon, it makes my hair just shinier, smoother, easier to wash, easier to manage. I like the look of it, the finish, the feel, all of it, all round, love the results. Is this going to be the same? Let's find out. So what you actually get in the box is the instructions, some gloves, a little brush to apply the treatment, some crocodile clips, a comb to apply to comb through when you put the treatment on. The next thing you get is the pre-treatment clarifying shampoo, which is 30 mils. And then the final product is the keratin treatment, 100 mils. This is the most important bit. This is the bit that does the magic. Step 1 is pre-treatment clarifying shampoo. You wash your hair with this twice. Make sure you really get stuck in there, because you want to get out any residue from hairsprays, product buildup, anything you've got in there. You want your hair really clean. Do not add conditioner afterwards, just the shampoo. Then towel dry it, and then your hair will be nice and clean and ready for the keratin treatment. So I'm going to go and do that. I'm going to jump in the shower, wash my hair, and then I'll be right back. So guys, step 1 is complete. That was pre-treatment clarifying shampoo. This bottle did actually last me 2 washes, and I'm quite surprised because my hair is very thick and quite long, but it was just enough. My hair feels very clean and a little bit squeaky because I haven't put conditioner in it, so it doesn't feel super soft, but that's okay. That's what they said to do. Now step 2 is to blow dry my hair as straight as possible on a medium heat, so I'm going to get on and do that. Right guys, I blow dried my hair on a medium setting, and it took ages because normally I use like a product. I normally have my hair is conditioned, and I do it on my Dyson on the higher setting. But it took a little bit longer, but it is now dry and I've got it as straight as possible. Obviously it's not really straight, but I do have frizzy hair. That's why I'm using this keratin. So I've got it, you know, like this. And step 3, I think it is, yep, comb the hair thoroughly, each section 5 times. I guess this step is just to make sure all the knots are out and it's easy to put the product on. Right guys, I've sectioned my hair off into 3 sections. 1 kind of front section, 1 middle section, 1 back section. I guess you can do it however you feel comfortable, but that's kind of how I'm going to work, kind of backwards. I'm going to start at the front and go backwards. Right, next step is now putting the product on. Make sure you shake it well so it's all mixed together properly. Pop your gloves on and make sure you're in quite a well ventilated room, because this is, I think, quite a strong chemical. So I'm going to open the window behind you guys. Guys, I'm going to carry on doing this in my mirror, which is on this side, because it's quite hard for me to see in the viewfinder, and there's not a mirror behind the camera. It looks like I'm crying because the stuff is just so strong. It went up my nose, it went into my mouth, in my eyes, and you definitely need some help for it. My husband helped me put it all throughout my hair, because it's quite difficult to do it on your own, like really thoroughly. So he helped me kind of put it all the way through so it's evenly distributed. So my hair now is completely kind of saturated with the product. It's been 7 days. I know that you're supposed to wash it out after 3 to 4 days. However, I've got a young baby, as some of you probably already know, and I've not had a chance to wash my hair. So today is Saturday. I actually filmed and put the product in last Saturday, so it's been a full 7 days. So I've just washed it out. It feels very similar to how it feels when I've had it professionally done, in terms of when I was shampooing and conditioning. It did feel a lot softer, and even running my fingers through my hair, it does feel a lot softer and smoother than it does normally. Now the next stage is to obviously blow dry my hair and see how straight it does go. With the keratin, I don't think, you know, you're expected to get kind of poker straight hair, but obviously it does go a lot straighter. I can already see it feels a lot straighter and smoother just as I'm brushing it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to blow dry it, but I'm not going to use my brush too much to try and straighten it. The point is, I think you're just supposed to be able to blow dry it, use a brush to kind of guide your hair down, but it goes pretty straight just from kind of a simple blow dry rather than having to work with the brush too much to straighten it. So I'll come back once I've put the blow dry through it and I'll let you know kind of pros and cons to what I think of the product. Right guys, so I'm back and I've blow dried my hair. What do you think? I'm actually very happy with the results. The blow drying time is so much quicker when the keratin is in your hair. Normally it takes me about 20-25 minutes, but I would say 10 to 15 minutes and my hair was completely dry, and this is literally with minimal effort it's gone this straight. I did have to put a brush into my fringe because I prefer it a little bit more like that, as you can see, rather than like really flat and straight. But the rest of my hair I pretty much finger blow dried it and it's gone, I'd say pretty straight, and it feels quite soft. So overall I would say this product is definitely a success and I think I would use it again. So I think the pros of this product, well, the obvious one has got to be the price. It was so much cheaper. It was £26 for the box off Amazon. You may even be able to find it cheaper. It was just on Prime, so I got it for £26, whereas if I get it professionally it costs 150, 200. So I've saved a hell of a lot of money. Also the convenience, I got to just do it at home in my own time and when, you know, I fit around my schedule because I do have a baby. And I think it was a lot quicker doing it myself. When I go to the salon I feel like it takes them forever. However, they probably do it a lot kind of more in detail and do the straightening part a lot smaller sections. So I guess on that side of things it would have taken me longer if I'd been a little bit more thorough with the straightening. Other pros, well, the other pros is that I've got a really good finish for a lot cheaper price and I'm really happy with it. It feels smooth, it feels soft. There are a few flyaways and to be honest the texture of my hair has changed since I've been pregnant, so I don't think, you know, I think it'll take time to maybe go back to as soft as and smooth as it was, but overall it feels pretty good and I'm pretty happy with the results. I mean, I could go out just like this, like just blow dry it with no straightener, and I don't think I'll be putting the straightener through it because I just don't think there's any need. The only thing I will be putting through it probably is one of my kind of finishing balms, and the one I'm using at the moment is Project Sucurio Original Mineral, this one, but whichever one you guys are using, I'll probably just put a little bit into my hands and just smooth it through just to get rid of the flyaways, but and any tiny bits of frizz that I've got. In terms of cons, there's probably not really many. I guess one of the biggest ones is you do need help. You can't really do it on your own. I think you do have to rope a friend in, or like I did my husband, because it is difficult to do on your own and it's pretty tiring, like going through and straightening your hair and blow drying your hair. So I guess one of the cons would be if you don't have a good hairdryer and you don't have a really hot straightening iron. I have the GHD one, but if you don't have a really good one it may not work as well, so you do need the right kind of hot tools to make this work in your hair. But overall I'd say I've gotten pretty close to how the salon gets it. If I had to compare it to a percentage, I'd probably say I'd say 80 to 90% as close to how the salon gets it, and to be honest I'll take that. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed my review of the keratin straightening system, or whatever it's called, and I've answered any of your questions. If you guys were kind of umming and ahhing whether to try it or not, hopefully I've helped answer your questions, and if there is anything I've missed out, put it in the comments because I'm more than happy to come back to you if I see your comment. And yeah, I think I definitely think I would use it again. So I think overall a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Niche Unleashed. I'm always posting recipes, fashion, baby stuff, all that stuff on there on a daily basis, so you get to see me more regularly on that platform than on YouTube, where I post pretty much every week on a Saturday at 10 o'clock. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm just going to put this into my hair now, and if you want to see what it looks like then keep on watching. Take care, bye. Right guys, let's put a little bit of this into my hair. You only need the tiniest bit because you don't want your hair to go greasy. So I'll just get a little bit from the lid, pop it in my hand, and then just warm the product up a little bit, and I tend to start more at the ends so the roots don't look so greasy. So it's just these little, since I've had a baby, and I guess through the labour, the pregnancy, my hair really has been through it. When I was pregnant I didn't lose any hair, but after the baby was born I lost so much hair, and I have lots of little flyaway hairs and lots of kind of little hairs as well. So I think my hair and the texture has definitely changed of my hair. So I think having a baby has, you know, had an effect on my hair. However, if you guys watched my skin and hair updated, I am definitely looking after my hair a lot more these days, because, you know, I think I do want to have nice hair, and I don't want to, you know, lose it all or have lots of little baby hairs everywhere. So I am looking after my hair probably more than I did before having the baby. That's the finished look, guys. I think I like it with the finishing cream. I think it just needed that little bit of help to just get rid of those little flyaways and take that tiny bit of frizz out of it. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.